Hey, how you doing? This is Mike with Innovative Garage Door, and if you're in need of new garage door replacement, we've got the garage door for you. This is a 16 by 6.9 Hormann, 3200 insulated, two-sided steel sandwich door, long panel with top cross glass, and you can see we got the full panel design here on top. We went with a 6.9 out of 7. Some would kind of chop it off up there, but beautiful window design there. Like I said, the door is 2 inches thick, long panel, nice raised panel design that Hormann gives. Okay, matching weather strip, whatever color door you want, or we'll do the color coordinated trim match. If you have this brown or sandstone, we can do that for you as well. 3.5 inch bottom rubber. Seals up nice. We've got our 11 gauge, that's right, 11 gauge hardware with our patented 11 ball nylon wheel. It's a stronger nylon wheel, and always 30,000 cycle springs. And then this we did a custom mount in front of the grid because the opener was offset, not in the center, and that'll always get done with a lock nut. And galvanized tracks, everything. Handle at the bottom, step plate. This door carries an 8.7 R value, and then it's hooked up with an older Chamberlain lift master opener. For all your garage door needs, new replacement doors, new construction, insulated, residential, commercial, for all your garage door needs, call Innovative Garage Doors, 630-271-9343. Visit us online, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Check out the description for links and ways to contact the company to get your free estimate. Thank you for watching our video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks again for watching.